Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something incredibly transformative for your overall well-being: daily silent meditation. Trust me, it's a game changer. You might be wondering, why is silent meditation so important? Well, it's like a reset button for your mind, body, and spirit. It helps reduce stress, improve focus, and cultivates a sense of inner peace that permeates every aspect of your life. Once you go deep within and open to the silence, you'll strengthen your connection to the divine. And I can't tell you enough how comforting and liberating that is. You'll get a sense of inner trust and guidance, even if you don't know the answer, where to go, what to do. The inner spirit knows. And when you open up to it in the silence, you'll find that you are guided, loved. It makes a way where there was no way. It lets you know where to turn that corner. Isn't it wonderful to have an invisible helper? I tell you, it's worth the effort and time to make daily contact with the divine. Now I know what you might be thinking. I don't have time for this. But here's the beauty of it. You only need a few minutes a day. Just a tiny fraction of your day dedicated to yourself can make a world of difference. Finding a quiet place is the key. It can be a bedroom, a cozy corner, or even a park. The important thing is to be undisturbed. And then it's all about relaxation. Allow your body to soften, release any tension, and simply let go. Remember, relaxation is the foundation. It opens the door for you to connect with your true essence. It's where the magic happens. Just relax. As you start your meditation, let your thoughts come and go. Don't try to force them away. Imagine them as leaves floating down a gentle stream. You're just the observer, allowing the river of thoughts to flow. It is helpful to start your silent meditation with a word of truth, like God is with me, or simply God is. And then you let go. Give yourself a vacation. I want to give you now a few minutes to practice this. Relax now. Sit down. Let go. And make contact with the divine. Well done, beautiful souls. A few minutes a day, several times a day, can truly be a game changer for your well-being. Remember, it's a gift you give to yourself. Keep practicing. Stay true to yourself and listen to that still small voice. It will guide you during your whole day. It will tell you the truth about things. Our eyes tell us lies. Your common sense will tell you you must do this thing, but your inner knower tells you it is best to do that other thing. Trust it. Practicing this daily silent meditation will heighten your intuitive powers, and that is so important. Is that like having a compass with you that guides you to your personal true north.